Meditation is the basic art and basic science. What is meditation? Making your worldly mind empty is meditation. Making your unruly mind empty is called a meditation. Making your purposeless chatter in the mind empty is called as meditation. We have several minds. A mind given to us by the parents, a mind given to us by our peers, a mind given to us by our society elders. And we have got a native mind, which is a divine mind, which with we are born. Our native mind, with which we are born, is superseded by the parental mind, the peer mind, and the society's mind. And that leads to all kinds of problems. So meditation is here to solve all those problems. By decimating the parental mind, by decimating the peer mind, by decimating the society's mind, and allowing a free rein to the divine mind, which is your birth position. We are born from so many lifetimes. We come from so many lifetimes of experience. We come from other dimensions, endowed with a divine mind. And we take birth in a human body. And when we take in the human body, the divine mind becomes dormant. It is superseded by the parental mind, the peer mind in the schools and colleges. And when you go out in the society as an adult, the society's values, society's mind. And to regain the divine mind, the practice is meditation. You empty the worldly mind. You empty the material mind. You empty the useless and purposeless mind, which caters to parental values, peer values, and society values, not to your real spiritual values. The real spiritual values are the same everywhere, in any time and given, any time, space, and situation. Whether it is BC or AD, whether it is Moscow or China or India, the real spiritual values are the same. And meditation unearths in every individual soul the real spiritual values. That is the definition of meditation.